you guys lay down on your boards, I always want your toes and the tail 100,000,000% of the time, okay? The board is designed for your toes and the tail. So we're gonna paddle to catch the wave. We're gonna paddle, paddle, paddle. We're gonna do a push-up. Take a little step with your back foot. For you would be your left, for you would be your right. I'm regular, so I'll do it regular. You're gonna take a little step. You're not gonna do a lunge. Just a little step in the center. Step through your hands. Look forward and let go. Okay? When you guys stand up, I don't want you guys to lock yourself down and stand tall like this. I want you guys to stay low and you will go. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
You wanna try it? Okay. You're losing speed. Nice. Too much speed. Very good. Too much speed. Very good. All right. So guys, I'm saying guys, girls, main thing is surfing, you guys are having fun. The tools that I have given you today is for you guys to use. What's the main thing of surfing?
The main thing of surfing is having fun.
Have fun. She gets it. Oh. Watch out, watch out. Come over here. Come, come, come. Everyone deserves to be Cinderella at least once in their life. There you go. And then oh, handsome. Oh. Paddle with your left arm, I'll paddle with my right. Oh. How you feeling?
Good.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right. Paddle. Oh. Yeah, Maisie. How was that last one for you?
Good, yeah, it was fun.
You want another one?
Yes.
Cool. Stand up. Balance. Nice. Oh, she's turning left. Maisie.
Surf crazy.
Oh, stepping forward too. Nice work. Paddle, sweetie. Stand up, girls. Nice work. Work. Towards me. Scoot all the way back on your board. That's good. All right. On to stand up. Maisie! Stand up! Stand up! Stand up! You all good? Yeah. Surfer, not a Swiftie. Cowabunga. You good, Maisie? That was a crazy clip. Oh, big guy. You okay? Good. Huh?
Off the board?
Yeah. I've never seen that one before. Yeah, it's nice, huh? Mia, last one.
Yeah,
Was it worth it?
definitely.
Super fun?
Yeah, really fun.
Cool. Incoming. Switch! Oh, there it was! Woo! 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 Yeah. Oh! Oh! How's that? How you going? One more time. Oh! Rawr. How was it, Maisie? Did you have fun? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Are you ready to eat something delicious? Mm-hmm. Well, lucky you. You get a tow ride in. Just hang out. Thanks, Mochi.
He's curling.
Cruising. Cool to use the content of Miss Mia and Maisie for Nehe TV as well as Dream of Rank Surf Experience?
Yes.
Alright, cool. Thank you so much.